USA all the way, baby. Something awesome finally came in. It's the Z Automotive, and it's Tazer. You know, there's a ton of videos on this, or at least a few. I don't know about a ton. You know, I exaggerate, but I'm gonna plug this bad boy in after I check for updates, and I'm gonna see what we can get out of this. Try that track mode out. I'm excited about the light show, the red line. Definitely the track mode the most though, and I want to see about the eco mode. I seen a couple people using it. What the hell? Seen a couple people using the eco mode, and you know, oh well, we'll try it out. We'll see. Trying to get this damn device installed. Tazer. Alright, so I'll probably fuck this up, but we're gonna see what we could do here. So I'm gonna read the website since I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So it says that we need to be in the audio screen, which is where we're at. It says use the left up arrows to set blah blah blah. Once the display is in the state, shut the fuck up, dash cam. Hold the left arrow of the steering wheel and tap the cruise cancel button. Oh, so that popped up that. So alright, so what am I supposed to do? Alright, apparently not that. So how do you navigate? What? Okay. To change a setting, press and hold the left arrow and tap cruise on or off the center button. Advance through the menu slowly. So I'm confused. Right now, this car is going through lights, apparently, which is really freaking me out because my neighbors are probably behind me thinking I'm doing some crazy shit. Okay, so apparently what you're doing is you're pressing and holding the left arrow on the left side of the steering wheel, and you're just pressing cancel on the right side of the steering wheel. You're just tapping it and it's moving through. Okay, so let's continue going through these menus. So if you press, like I said, once you're in the menu, if you press the left arrow and hold it and then push cancel, it advances into the menu. Now we're not going to be clearing any cells, so then we go to this. We're not going to need this. I already have the 8-speed and they're all set. Okay, so this is the first one we're going to be changing. This says SRT set, which is SRT mode. So we're going to add this. We're going to turn this to yes, and it's going to add SRT splash screen and SRT menu items. So to select this from no to yes, we're going to press the left arrow button, and then we're going to hit the cruise button that's in the middle. So we're just going to push that, and alrighty, so now the screen changed from the beautiful B to this shenanigans, which is annoying. And now if you look, we have different menu items. We have diagnostics, we have speed warning, whatever the hell that is, and I guess, I don't know. Yeah, look at that. That's what happens when you get a mid-muffler delete. You start driving like an asshole. Okay, set performance pages. We have that. Okay. So then the next one. That's paddles. We already have paddles. What the fuck is this one now? So this is, I'm assuming, the set the backup camera. If factory backup camera is added, this setting will be enabled. So we have a backup camera. The next one is a DRL dropout. It says it's enabled by default, making the daytime running light turn off when using a turn signal. Turning this off will keep the daytime running light on even when a turn signal is in use. I kind of like when it drops. I don't really need to change that. Maybe I'll play with it someday. The next one is set fog lights enabled. If factory fog lights are added, this setting will enable them. I already have fog lights, unfortunately, because I don't have a Hellcat. Okay. I don't know. Fog drop, I guess, whatever. Now, belt ding. Fuck you. I hate that belt ding. That was one of the reasons I wanted this car to have Tazer, because, you know, if you're in the car literally, what, for 2 seconds, I know you're supposed to wear your seatbelt. I wear it 99% of the time. But when I don't have that seatbelt on for 2 seconds, I don't need a reminder like I'm a little baby that I'm not wearing a seatbelt. So that is a beautiful thing. The next one. Steering. This is another one we're going to change. Set steering. This setting for Scat Packs toggles between Scat and SRT. This allows Scat Pack owners to use track steering firmness from the SRT. So I'm going to put the steering on SRT. This way I have a little bit more of a beastlier steering setup. Okay. Next one. Cam grid. What the flip is that? Oh, set backup camera grid lines. If factory is installed, the setting will enable. Alright, that's fine. That's already there. DVD CD. This setting adds the CD input. I don't need that thing changed. Okay. This says set Super Track Pack. This setting enables Super Track Pack, which in most cars is what will add the Dodge Performance Configuration app. So obviously that's a yes. Now this. Set drive modes. This in conjunction with Super Track Pack enables drive mode. Depending on the build, some drive mode functions may or may not work. This function along with SRT modes has the ability to use track mode on Scat Packs. So yes, we want that on. Definitely want drive mode on. So let's move on. We go to the next one, which set transmission drive mode. This allows us it's already on anyway. Eco mode. This allows eco mode. You know what? We're gonna allow it because I want to try it. I want to try things. That's what life's about. Splash. This setting will allow changing the start animation. So let's see what this does. Alright, I just pushed it. I don't know. What did I do? What did I do? Splash none. So I guess you have. Oh! Ooh, wait a minute. Oh shit. Maybe I will pretend to be a Hellkitty. Okay, wait a minute. Do I be poser? Alright, so it's on Splash Hellcat. So wait, if I do it again, what does it do this time? So I guess no matter what, you lose the B. If it's a matter of having the word Charger or losing the B, we'll go back to not having the cool logos, which is booty. I wanted to see, what does it say now? Shut up, stop beeping at me. If I pass it, all hell will break loose. Now it's back on Scat. So honestly, at the risk of being a poser, it's better than nothing. It's not bad. I don't have a Hellcat though, and I never said I did, so I don't want to hear no shit. If I wanted a Hellcat, I would have got a Hellcat. I just got the little baby, alright? So leave me alone. Shift light. Yes. Of course I want a shift light. Definitely. Duh. Alright, so that's it for this part of the menu. Now we get to check out the other part. And that's the most recent upgrade. I did update this taser before I put it in. I recommend you do that as well. You go to the website, there's an app, program you download. You do need a Windows computer, which sucks for me. I'm all about that Mac life, and thank God my fiance has a laptop. Thank God I did have a secondary laptop as well, but it's not as good. So I updated it, and I think 2.25 at the time of this is the most updated. Yeah, I don't know what this means here. We're gonna see. I have no idea what changed, but okay. So apparently that's new. A little bit. Okay, my car's not red, but that's an improvement. I enjoy that. So, okay. I got none of this stuff because I'm not cool enough to do this. But the gauges are there. That's pretty sweet. If you see, it goes through all that. G-force. Nothing big. Engine. Okay. This is new. Drive modes. There we go. So, default, sport, custom. And then there's valet mode, which, from what I was reading, you put in a little pin, blah blah blah, and it'll stop people from pulling a Ferris Bueller on your car. Eco, I'm interested to see how that works, but what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take a quick trip-a-roo. This is also something different. When you put the car in reverse and you're backing up, that car now is red. I actually like it. It's pretty cool. And you know, you got the gauges. It changes the fonts. Everything looks that much cooler.